So every week I'm gonna do a Sunday reset. It's just gonna be just whatever I feel like cleaning that day. But if you guys want more realistic cleaning videos, ones that are a little bit more messy, not as nice of a house, then just keep watching. I do have some videos coming up of me redoing some stuff on a very extreme tight budget with stuff I already have and thrift store items. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, just keep watching out for my channel to post new videos. And I also have TikTok, a Facebook page, and YouTube. And if you haven't seen my laundry room makeover, you can go back and watch it. But I did that on like, I want to say less than $50 to redo my laundry room. I just used stuff I already had, and then I just went and bought paint and then a cabinet. But if you want to see that, just go watch my other video. So don't judge me on my room. We ripped out the flooring, and this house is old. I think it's a 1987, and it was the original carpet that's been in there. So it's old and ugly, and I ripped it out thinking I was going to get new flooring, but then some things came up and I couldn't afford it right now. So I'm just trying to post some TikTok videos and YouTube videos to try to get the process going a little bit quicker. And I am going to be doing a little makeover on my bathroom because it's ugly, but I did just get this. For free on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm so excited. It looks so good. I know it's probably old to some people, but I love it. And also, if you don't like gross stuff, I would not be watching this right here. This is not my hair. This is what came, I guess, in the plumbing. It was already in the little drain thingy. Somebody else's nasty hair. It was clogged up the sink bad. So, of course, I had to go and get it out. But yeah, the smell was horrible. And I should have been wearing gloves, but But now it works perfectly fine. I want to show you guys my bathtub because it is old and ugly and broken, but it is what it is. I was going to buy the paint refinishing kit thing, but I ain't going to waste my money on it. I'm just going to leave it like this till one day maybe I can redo it, like a whole remodel in my bathroom. But for right now, it is what it is. And I am going to be doing a makeover for it. It's just going to be cheap for my bathroom. Nothing crazy, but make it look a lot better than what it does now. I just want to say thanks for watching, and if you guys want more makeover videos, DIYs, anything budget friendly, cheap, then just come back and keep watching.